A game was played where 10 tennis balls are tossed into a basket from a certain distance. The number of successful tosses for 6 students were 4, 1, 3, 2, 1, and 7. Draw a representation of the data using cubes where one cube represents one successful toss of a tennis ball into the basket. So each one needs to be the same height or the same amount as the number that represents it. So the first one will have 4, 1, 3, 2, 1, and 7. Represent the original data set using a dot plot. So 1 needs to have 2 dots on it because it happened 2 times. Find the mean number of successful tosses for this data set using the fair share method. For each step, show the cube representation and the corresponding dot plot. Explain each step in words in the context of the problem. You may move more than one successful toss in a step. So you can move 2 cubes at a time. But be sure that your explanation is clear. You must show 2 or more steps. So I'm going to start by sharing 2 from the 7 with a stack that has 1. So I'm going to take 2 from here and I'm going to move it to a stack that has 1. So my first stack still has 4. This one now has 3 because it's 1 from the original and 2 from that 7 stack. Then I have another with 3, one that has 2, one that has 1, and that stack of 7 lost 2, so now it's a stack of 5. So the dot plot, there's one that has 1, one that has 2, 2 that have 3, 1 with 4, and 1 with 5. In that next step, I'm going to share 2 from the one that has 5. With a stack that has 1. So now I have a stack of 4, a stack of 3, a stack of 3, a stack of 2, a stack of 3, because 2 of them went over here, and another stack of 3. Let's make that a little longer. So none that have 1, 1 with 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 that have 3, and 1 that has 4. So this time I'm going to share 1 from the stack of 4 with the stack of 2. So this one now has 3 because it shared 1. This one has 3 because it's still the same. This one has 3 because it's the same. This one gained 1, so now it's 3. And the last 2 stay the same. So now I have 6 stacks of 3. 6 stacks of 3.